Charlotte, Dan. Their helicopter already took Saeed and Desmond back to their freighter. They can make arrangements to get all of us off this island.
Where's Kate?
She stayed with Clyde.
Oh, Kate.
You got blood.
I just killed a chicken. What can I do for you?
I want to talk to Miles. Where are you keeping him?
What do you need to talk to him?
That's personal.
No.
And what gives you the right to decide whether or not...
You may think this is a democracy, Kate, because of the way Jack ran things, but this is not a democracy.
And I guess that makes it a dictatorship.
If I was a dictator, I would just shoot you and go about my day. Dinner's at 6 if you're hungry.
Hey, Hurley! You bringing that to Miles?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess.
Cool. That dude kicked me out.
He's still in the rec room, right?
No, I moved into the boathouse. He just tore his Scooby-Doo and me down.
Sorry.
You're not gonna let me go, are you?
No. No, I promise.
There's no to lock this room. Traded you too, huh?
Do you know who I am?
Excuse me?
Do you know who I am? Do you know what I did?
What did you do?
Answer the question.
Okay. I'll tell you what you want to know. You gotta do something for me first.
I'm not letting you go.
I don't want to be let go. I'm exactly where I want to be. What I need is 1 minute of someone's time. You bring him to me, and I will tell you everything I know about you. Who do you think? You okay?
Yeah, fine.
Listen, the DA's decided to try this case herself, which means they're going to do the full court press, and we need to start talking about cutting a deal.
What kind of deal?
Honestly, my best guess, I'd say she'll take a 15-year sentence and you serve 7.
No way.
You're in trial, Kate. You're looking at 20 years on each count, not to mention a life sentence on the murder charge.
No.
Kate, you confessed to your mother that you killed your father, and now she's their star witness. So you tell me, what am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to win this thing?
Put me on the stand.
You take a chance with the DA crossing you? No. Let me see, we've got one shot at this.
What's that?
Make it about character. Not about what you did or didn't do, but about who you are.
What do you mean, Mayor?
I want him in the courtroom.
Absolutely not.
We need him, Kate. What we generate from that is simple.
Duncan, listen to me. You are not bringing him in here. All right, you want to make this about me, about my character? Fine. You are not using my son.